Christina. I'd like to show you how you can use mini marshmallows and colored sugar to decorate a basic cupcake into something kind of fancy and fun. Let's go ahead and learn together. The first step is to color your sugar. I'm just going to do a couple drops of yellow. The next step is to cut your marshmallows. Be sure to use scissors that you've cleaned off. What you're going to do is hold your mini marshmallow. You can see that they're basically cylinders, so the flat part, you're going to cut it like that, and you're going to cut diagonally across. And so I'm just going to go across. When you cut it, it kind of squeezes it, and so you can have the part that's sort of even coated with powdered sugar out there, and then that little inner bit is sticky, and that's the part that's going to be the petal. I'm just going to cut a couple of them, so we're ready. All right, now the next step is I like to hold it by the little flat part there, and then just take that sticky bit and just dip your little petal, your marshmallow, into that, and that's going to become the flower petal. So again, let's do that again. Dip. And you can see it has that beautiful sugar sticking to it and it just clings to the sticky side. Let's go ahead and get the rest of these done. Finally, the last step is to take your cupcake. You've already frosted it. It may or may not be looking very great. Mine is very simple. I'm just gonna take my little marshmallow flower petals and I'm gonna start making a flower. If I want to go around the entire outer edge and make 3 layers, I think it looks really beautiful like a dahlia, but I want to just go 2 layers because I think it actually looks a little bit more like a lotus, and it's just beautiful and also a little simpler. I think too, for me, that sometimes the marshmallow is very sweet. And so I didn't want to have too much sweet by having 3 whole layers of marshmallow on my thing, but somehow 2 was okay. I don't know, can't explain it, but that logic worked for me. Now, if your marshmallow isn't particularly pointy at the end, these are, but let's say like this one, it's not particularly pointy at the end, all you have to do is squeeze the end of the marshmallow, and that'll give it a nice point at the end there. And so you can sort of shape your marshmallow. I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 more layer in the center here. And there you go. There's my pretty little flower. Simple, but beautiful. And now you know how to decorate your cupcakes into flowers just using mini marshmallows and colored sugar. Then you're ready for the final and perhaps my favorite step of all, go eat your cupcakes.